Former project manager of the $2 billion Grenada Resort Complex project, Terrance Forrester, has taken his former employers to court seeking compensation for wrongful dismissal. That matter is now before the court with a date pending for the matter to be heard. The $2 billion Grenada Resort Complex project was being spearheaded by Chinese investor Charles Liu, who is said to be no longer involved in the project, as he is now under investigation by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission for fraud. Meanwhile, an interim application for injunctive relief was filed by Terrance Forrester against Chinese investor Charles Liu and the government of Grenada. This would allow Mr. Forrester to hold on to certain assets of the company pending the outcome of the substantive claim. Forrester was represented by attorney Vanessa Francis Banfield. The matter was heard today at the No. 4 High Court. Solicitor General Dwight Hosford, accompanied by two other attorneys, was able to have the application for injunction dismissed.
Well, the applicant, who is well known to you, was seeking to hold certain assets of a company pending settlement arrangements with him for what he considered to have been his wrongful dismissal. Our point was that the state had no business in this. The government of Grenada is joined in this application, and the court agreed with us. In fact, right off the bat, we didn't have to say much on that front, because the court saw clearly on the documents that what is the nexus between the state and what's going on with these companies and these personalities. And so we're quite pleased, even though it took some time, that this application went the way it did.
Mr. Hosford said the substantive claim for compensation, which the government of Grenada is tied into, will be dealt with once the matter is heard.
The theory is that such applications hold a situation while the main action is dealt with. I understand. In the main action, there's a claim for monies. We are not in possession of the papers in the main action. We're not served with those papers. But I understand also that the state is joined as a defendant in the main action. If the main action, the papers are anything like the papers supporting the application today, I would expect it to go the same way.
GBN was unable to have access to the claim filed before the court. Colin Campbell, GBN News.